Good morning, guys, and welcome to the vlog. Today I am getting an alignment on the Civic because, as you know, the last video I put the control arms in the front and the rear and new axles. So with all those new suspension parts, the whole car's alignment is completely out of whack. The tires are just screeching everywhere and it's bad. So I am at an old job that I used to work at, and I'm gonna hope that they let me film inside. If not, then the next clip after this will be the next part of my day, but if not, then it will be getting an alignment. So here we go. Timber gang, timber gang, timber gang.
Anytime you didn't have any power. It's really fucked up.
Yeah, it's bad.
I felt like you had no power steering for a second.
It does that when it's really cold.
Really?
Yeah, but then when the car warms up, it like comes back. That's weird.
Oh, you can tell it's fucked up.
Yeah,
you turn
it's
the wheel
weird.
and it fucking pulls.
It just wants to go in whatever direction. Yeah, it's so bad. See if we got this. You're good.
Send it?
Send it. Oh yeah.
I can feel that through the fucking car. That's something I never hope to feel in my car.
So I used to work here in 2016 to 2017. They were so kind enough to let me stay in here to watch the alignment process. Will it fit?
It looks like they will.
We're good.
Perfect.
Look at that no rust, boy. Look at that no rust.
I literally said no, fuck you. I had to align it before I align it.
Toe is so off after doing those upper control arms.
You sure that's pretty straight? Toe is fine. Okay, let's see what it's actually at. It's a lot fucked up. Let's see. And that's how the computer generates what it should look like.
Wow. Ah, that's why it feels weird.
Yeah, just a bit.
So that's...
Here, come on.
Huh?
There's the camera in the rear. Is that 8?
It's not. So the camber kit that I bought on eBay told me that it was -5 degrees of camber. When I put it on and I maxed it out and I looked at it, I was like, that doesn't really look like -5, but whatever. And it's not. It's -9. So that's interesting. Almost. Woo. Money. It's 3 degrees of toe off on the driver's side.
It's
Just a tad. Just a tad off. Underside of this car is super clean.
oh yeah.
Look at this. Factory.
Even after winter beating.
Even after driving it through this terrible winter. And every week to southern Connecticut and back. Not bad. So the front camber kit's actually accurate, and it was giving me -5, which is what it's what it was advertised as, so that's good.
They're giving specs.
The rear being -9 actually works in my favor because I thought it was -5, but it's actually -9, but I guess I need -9 to fit the Meisters, so works out. So we're on to round 2 of aligning the car. We're going to align it twice. You can see the front is still way off, so Good thing that he's aligning it twice. Good thing that I have friends that work at automotive shops nearby. Boom. Dead on.
On next.
Oh. Oh yeah. Dead nuts. So while I'm getting an alignment here, I figured that it would be the appropriate time to discuss, does camber wear tires? And the answer is yes and no. They wear tires just like tires wear normally. They just only wear on the part of the tire that is touching the ground. That is if you get an alignment after you camber your car. If you put a camber kit in your car and don't align the car, your toe will be off, your alignment will be off, and yes, you will burn through your tires quicker than normal. But that's the same case for if you didn't have any camber and you had a bad alignment. You're gonna burn through your tires regardless. The only thing about camber is that there's more weight on one part of the tire. But that doesn't affect how quickly the tire burns out. It burns out just as quick as it would be if the tire was completely on the ground. So, get your alignments done if you do camber kits, and you'll be set.
Yes, sir. Like you said, toe is the victim.
Toe is the victim. And there we go, boys. How it should be. Yes, obviously I have camber, but that's how it should be. All you camber butt hurts out there, I'm sorry. It's who I am. That's it. So there's the before. This was the second pass for the alignment. This is the after. So yes, camber will be off, but everything else that needs to be straight is straight, which means I am worry-free. Thank you, Josh.
You're welcome, Mike.
Sick.
Good luck!
Does it feel better now?
Oh yeah.
Much better.
Way better.
We're Gucci. All right, so just got out of the alignment shop and let's see how this thing drives now. Oh man, so much better. Perfect. It's perfect. Minus the camber, but it's perfect. The camber stays. Sorry guys. So it is a beautiful day out today. Unlike the past few days where it's been cloudy and cold. I think that I am going to, one, get a haircut because you can see it's a bushy, crazy mess. And two, probably spend the rest of the day cleaning this thing out because I don't know if you guys get this. I know you Cali boys don't get this, but in the wintertime, when it's cold, you really don't want to vacuum your car, especially when you don't have a garage and you don't want to do it outside when it's 20 degrees out. So your car just kind of gets dirty and it just kind of stays that way. So I think I'm going to take advantage of this warm weather and clean out this car because it is dirty and I haven't cleaned it since I probably started working for Chris and Tommy back when I was working for them. So solid 4 months, 5 months, it's bad. So I need to clean this thing out. I'll show you guys a before and after. Gray hair's coming back. It was bound to happen eventually. But let me show you the interior of this thing right now. So, this is what winter does. Makes things disgusting. Whole back is full of stuff. Need to take these wheels out of here. I keep bringing them everywhere. There's really no point to clean the outside because the car's just gonna get dirty again because it's winter and it's salty and snowy, and even though it's a nice day and it's gonna be nice today, tomorrow, the next day, it's gonna get snowy again, and I know it because it's New England. So let's get to cleaning. Don't think I forgot to get my coffee this morning. You guys have made it this far into the video. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I got one last thing to say. Stickers are shipped out as of today, and they will be here soon. That is the retro stickers, that is the die cut slaps. So as soon as those come in, they will be on the website. You guys can order them up. And I also got something else coming, which should be really cool. And I think you guys will enjoy it a lot. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Sorry I made you sit through watching me vacuum out my car, but that's what I had to do today. So hopefully in the next video, we got something a little bit cooler for this thing, and we can get the ball rolling some more. So I will see you in the next one.